down, boys!
It's here! Hit the brakes!
Relax! I know what I'm doing.
Qwark!
Oh no.
I can't reach you in time! Just get out while you can!
Teleporter charging.
What are you doing?
Improvising.
Are we dead?
We are alive.
All Rangers alive and accounted for.
Welcome back, Rangers. Good job.
How many planets do you think I'll have to save for them to call me a hero again?
You don't have to do big things to be a hero, Qwark. Just the right ones.
Oh! I don't know. Maybe it'll be worth something someday.
I must say that it is curious that the sudden cessation of velocity relative to our inertia did not cause either of you to... Oh, dear.
Don't worry, Cadet. It happens to the best of... Oh, that was terrible. Oh, boy. Make it stop!
Should we go and join the others?
I'd like to, but there's a promise I have to keep to an old friend.
I understand.
Don't worry. I'm sure we'll run into each other again someday. It's a small galaxy.
Well, I suppose this is goodbye. You can let go now, Ratchet.
Come on, let the whole map!
Paying good money for this.
And that was the scene today as thousands gathered to welcome home the Galactic Rangers, making their triumphant return from saving our galaxy. Grateful citizens gathered at the famed Hall of Heroes to mark this day that will live in hearts and minds forever. As for Private Qwark, the recently demoted Ranger will embark upon his galaxy-wide apology tour while shamelessly promoting his new book. Listen, I said I was sorry, all right? When asked for a comment, the former captain had this to offer.
Prepare to be blown away by my epic humility.
There was, however, one curious absence from today's festivities. That of new Ranger sensation and media darling, Ratchet. Leaving this reporter with one question. What does a Lomax do after saving the galaxy? We may never know. And now, a story about a baby Playboy who can play the ukulele.
Come on, we haven't got all day. We have 10 more proton scrubs to do before lunch if we want to stay on schedule.
I gotta be honest. I kind of thought you'd be so touched by the gesture you'd call us even.
Well, you thought wrong, didn't you? Keep your shirt on. I heard you. You see these ears? Whoa.
Hey, wait! Please wait for me! I'm about to finish you!
Might I offer a suggestion? Modifying that proton scrubber with a Gadgetron quasar flash would increase your efficiency by 47.4%.
A quasar flash, huh? Gee, I don't know. That kind of tech takes two to operate. And Grimm's not as nimble as he used to be.
Then perhaps I could remain here and assist. If you do not mind me staying around a while.
You kidding? Things have been way too quiet without you around.
I do bring a certain level of zing to the table, don't I?
Yeah, Clank. You're a real wild one.
Speaking of which, am I to assume that you have retired from the Galactic Rangers?
Nah. Once a ranger, always a ranger. Believe me, The minute somebody tries to blow up another planet, I'll be ready to go. But hey, what are the odds of that happening?
Precisely 87,534 to 1.
Yep, a real wild one.